If one day the gear of the world was to halt and civilization was to crumble, it would signify the end to this blue planet we live on. Unfortunately, this is not an intangible nightmare, but an absolute possibility. Today, we must face what has long been ignored, that put us on an imminent path towards the disaster, the crisis of soil. Lying beneath our feet is soil, the origin of many lives. Only healthy soil can sustain healthy plants, healthy animals, and healthy and vivacious human beings. Soil, in addition to providing us with an abundance of food, also stores greenhouse gases, guards water sources, and sustains a mild climate.
土壤是一个有生命的有机体，它是由七叶固3项组成的，当然包括了矿物质、有机质、微量元素，还有多元化的微生物。这些元素在一起形成一个健康的土壤系统。
土壤是一个重要的生态群落，可以说是一颗土壤中含有的这个微生物的数量要有数千万个，也就是说，我们抓起一把土来，它的微生物的构数要比我们人类的总数还要多。
These microorganisms contribute to the formation and transformation of organic matter and the transportation of nutrients, water, and essential elements in soil, particularly in the rhizosphere. These processes are critical to the healthy growth of crops. Some metabolites derived from microorganisms are vital for improving crop immunity as well. Therefore, protecting soil, particularly the microorganisms in soil, is a very important quest. Since the beginning of the 20th century, unscientific agricultural practices and overuse of chemicals have caused the world's surface soil to lose nearly half of its original healthy structure. The content of organic matter and populations of beneficial microorganisms in soil have declined sharply. Poor soil quality has led to the occurrence of significant soil erosion, as well as floods and droughts. Meanwhile, chemicals continue to enter soil, infiltrating water, invading into our body, and subjecting our lives to all kinds of chemical exposure and harm.
We really rely, not only human beings, but a lot of lives rely on surface soil for food. Surface soil is a major carbon sink for capturing carbon, banning carbon. So the fact we lost a lot of surface soil, not only we lose farmable land, but also we lose a big carbon sink, which may actually contribute to global climate change.
According to United Nations data, if we continue on the trajectory of current farming practices and the overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, the world's topsoil organic matter could completely disappear within 60 years. In other words, unless we can devise a way to save the soil, it is likely that in 60 years, we will have to grow crops solely by relying on chemicals. Fortunately, scientists from all over the world are striving to address the seemingly unsolvable global problem. It is a race against time. Saving the soil is saving humanity. Green and sustainability are the leading concepts for the future agricultural development, in which the era of organic fertilizers and organic soil enhancers is inevitable. A science and technology revolution of human-nature harmonious coexistence has emerged. Shuangliang Group, a Chinese Fortune 500 company, aligns with the theme of green and sustainability and leverages the industrial power to promote high-quality agricultural development. They have joined hands with the research team, led by Dr. Song Jin, niche founder of coal-based microbial electrochemistry, a world-renowned scientist and the leading inventor of the Ginate technology, to revive the health power of soil with a high-quality organic fertilizer and soil nutrients enhancer, to achieve an evergreen healthy land and an everlasting clean soil.
We think it's the only candidate or the only solution we have so far that has the potential to reclaim about half of the soil organic matter we have lost during the past decades. I think that problem is even more imminent than climate change, than temperature rise, because we're losing lifeline of soil. We're converting that feedstock to a product that can enhance soil quality. It has a lot of good stuff in it, like trace elements. It has over 60 trace elements in it. It has organic matter up to 80-90%. So that's also retained in our product.
Soil is the source of life for all plants. Microbes are the symbiosis for plant roots. Organic matter is the home, granary, and nutritional treasure trove for microorganisms. In order to achieve a healthy and symbiotic relationship, stopping and reverting soil organic matter loss, decreased microbial activities, and compacted soil structure is a vital step. Ginate products have an organic carbon content of up to 80%. That's significantly higher than common organic fertilizer on the market. It can rapidly enhance aggregation of soil particles when applied. It also improves physiochemical characters of soil, enhances soil capabilities of retaining and transporting water and nutrients, achieves multidimensional distribution of large, middle, and small molecular organic matter in soil. It also contains trace and microcompounds and rare earth elements, meeting the nutritional needs of crops at different stages from seedlings to harvest. Ginate products can significantly increase soil permeability and improve the ecological environment of soil microorganisms. Within a short period of time, it rapidly increases soil organic matter content and the population of beneficial bacteria in the rhizosphere. Ginate technology revives the dormant indigenous microorganisms in lignite. Through adjusting structures of soil microbial populations, it eliminates rhizosphere disease, enhances soil viability, improves nutrients uptake by crops, and increases crop yields and quality, meanwhile achieving and maintaining soil health and sustainability.
把这个褐酶这个有机肥，既是作为一个肥料部分替代发挥，同时来讲也有把它作为一个改良剂来施用在这个农田当中，所以我们的土豆的产量可以增加30%左右。同时来讲呢，土豆的品质得到很好的提高。我们在内蒙巴彦淖尔市这个盐碱地使用了以后，它的有机质的含量得到有效的提高，土壤的孔隙力可以提高5%左右，土壤的导水性能可以提高在10%左右，我们这个葵花的产量可以提高10%到15%，那么这个效果还是非常明显的。
When a good soil environment is cultivated, a healthy ecosystem can be established within the rhizosphere. It will increase the antioxidants content in fruits, extend the storage period and health functions of fruits, promote antioxidants production within the rhizosphere, and effectively suppress and resist pests and pathogens. Presently, Ginate products have been certified by the organic certification agencies in China, Europe, and the United States. They have been widely applied in Inner Mongolia, Shandong, Yunnan, Fujian, Xinjiang, Gansu, and other provinces and regions on a variety of large-scale crops growth. The Ginate products have demonstrated high efficacies in improving soil compact condition, inhibiting infections by pathogens and pests, strengthening soil retainment of water and nutrients. It increased product sizes and yields and achieves blended tastes. In general, Ginate can increase production by more than 10% and above 30% for some crops. Ginate products have also been applied to a variety of high-value crops in the United States and performing significantly better than other organic fertilizers. Presently, in addition to promoting high-quality agricultural production, how to promote global sustainable development is also a common mission to mankind. Relying on Ginate technology and product, Yuan Taifeng has achieved the clean use and value addition of a low-grade resource. This technology has linked the sunset coal industry with the sunrise green agriculture and soil revitalization. Meanwhile, it has also helped alleviate the problem of aerial environmental pollution from agricultural practice. From the big picture of carbon cycle, Ginate helps effective storage of carbon in soil. Making soil is a huge carbon sink. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions and promotes carbon peaking and carbon neutrality.
那么这个固碳减排呢，是让我们目前来看，二氧化碳的排放量，还有这个氧化亚氮的排放量，大概有10%左右的减排的这个效果。那么我想呢，这个对未来这个碳达峰啊、碳中和啊，这个效果还是非常明显的。
Soil has been self-healing for the past millions of years. However, presently, soil is facing an unprecedented crisis. What actions we take will determine what positive impact we may leave on the beautiful Earth. The Ginate technology and product leverages the power of science to revitalize the health of soil. It has revitalized the biodiversity in soil and enabled us to see the fertile soil yielding a joyful and bountiful harvest, and to see the dry creeks flow again. Saving soil is saving our home.